Hey, Katrina here from Scrappy Horses. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy you're here today. I am working on a little card for my index card journal. Just sort of journaling fall and having some fun with some fibers. I'm starting off here with some burlap ribbon. I have my piece that I have colored, which is Tricycle Gnome from Connie Fong. I have some orange cardstock and I have a cereal board here, and that's going to be my backing. I'm going to start by running my orange piece through with the Cuttlebug embossing folder. And now I'm just going to go ahead and just use some ATG with my Fabri-Tac, and I'll adhere that to the cereal board. So it just makes a nice backing to go into my journal. Now, if you'd like to see my journal, I'll tell you, I will go ahead and just post that, or I'll leave a link for it, and I'll also put it up in the corner of your screen so you can see that. Now I've inked over that white with that autumn terracotta, and now I have a hint for you. My hint is this. If you're working with burlap ribbon and you want to gather it, if you fold over that wire, then you can gather the ribbon and then fold over the other end, and it will hold that gather for you. So if you want it gathered, leave the wire in and just gather it using that wire, as you can see that I'm going to use around this rounded corner. Now I'm coming in with some yellow satin ribbon. I'm going to just loop it around my forefingers 2 or 3 times. Now I'm going to pull it together here to make sort of a little bow. And here comes another hint for you. I'm bringing in my fishing line. I'm going to go ahead and tie the loop and then just pull it around. Center my bow. And the nice thing about fishing line is once you pull it, it will hold well for you. So then you can get your knot in without it slipping. So I really like fishing line. I use it quite a bit in crafting. All right, so now once I have that, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off that little bow by cutting. And I'm gonna bring in a little fall button that I just had in my stash. Now, this little piece that I've run through is just part of the burlap ribbon that I just used when it frays. I just pulled that out and used it as my thread for the button. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off my excess fishing line. And now I'm going to glue in my burlap ribbon. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this onto the embossed piece. So I'm just going to use a little Fabri-Tac as well as a little bit of my ATG there. And I'll add a little bit more Fabri-Tac and glue my little yellow bow into place. And then I will put the button in on top. You know, when the embellishments come out, it's time to end this video. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm going to leave all the information below in the box, and you can leave any comments or questions for me. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week, and I'll catch up with you in the next video. Bye.